Kia ora, kia ora. Today in this speech I will be answering the question, what is child abuse? Child abuse is more than broken bones, bruises and scars. Child abuse is when a parent or caregiver is being the cause of injuries, emotional harm, serious harm, or death to a child. There are many different kinds of child abuse, such as emotional abuse, physical abuse, and neglect. These are the types I'll be talking. These are the types I'll be talking about today. Did you know one child is killed every 5 weeks due to child abuse? And New Zealand has the 5th worst child abuse record out of the 31 main countries. Emotional abuse is when an adult parent or caregiver causes a child to feel worthless, threatened, scared, or any type of feelings like that. Kids that are being emotionally abused suffer at least, if not more, than they are being physically abused. This could negatively impact the child in several ways. Physical abuse is when you are getting hurt in a way that causes physical pain, whether it's punching, kicking, or having objects thrown at you. These can lead to bruises, black eyes, or even worse, death. Research states that effects on child suffering physical abuse can increase the risk of having 3 or more medical diseases. It can also be associated with suicidal behavior or increased likelihood of smoking. Last of all is neglect. Neglect is when the parents or caregivers isn't showing the love and support a child needs, abandoning them and making them live in an unsafe environment, where there's not enough food, when alcohol and drugs are being used, or when they've been forgotten about. Done!